Shinano. Above. The only known photograph of Shinano. Shizuo Fukuoka collection. So this is a 800-foot Japanese aircraft carrier of 1944. Shinano. Side and top silhouette. The early exchanges of the Pacific War very quickly established the ascendancy of air over heavy gun power, and in one immediate result of this in Japan was the cessation of all work on capital ships. This decision directly affected the construction of the Yamato class battleships, one of which had been completed by mid-1942, with the second almost ready for sea, and a third whose hull was virtually complete on the slips. Well, the last offered the prospect of an enormous platform for air operations, and one, moreover, that would be prodigiously armored. It also suggested an internal volume that could accommodate vast quantities of fuel and ordnance. And it was this capacity which led to the idea that the converted vessel might be very usefully employed as a support ship for replenishing fleet combat carriers without their having to return home. Replacement aircraft would also be embarked, but they would not form a combat air group for the carrier herself. So here's the Shinano one last time. And only known photograph of her. That is a Japanese aircraft carrier production.